Hey, it's 13 Cron here, doing my homework. I have the hiccups again. I don't know if this is my fourth. No, this is my fifth video making hiccup videos. I am currently doing my science homework. Just notebooks and all. So I'm gonna put you all right here so I can do my work. And I don't know what else I'm doing. Yeah. It kind of hurts when I hook up because I just ate. So, yeah. Gotta go to Google, look up some questions. Like, how is air moving in a low pressure system? Google.com. I have a low battery right now, but I don't really care. So if I die, I'll on you guys. Sorry, it's because I have low battery. How is air moving in a low pressure system? Yep, a derp. Low air pressure, probably sink ink. Submersion molecule, blah blah blah. Airplane wings works in there. Stretch. That's not what I'm looking for. And sorry, I've been sick kind of, so if you hear me cough or like have a weird voice, it's because I just like got over a cold. So yeah. Life's been good. Oh, check out my helium video and my OMG moment at Walmart. That's some funny stuff I saw at Walmart at 12 a.m. She was taking a video because I was gonna like muh at some people. Muhing goes like this, muh, right? So yeah, and I was gonna muh some random people, and she was taking a video, and was gonna take a video of the people's reactions. But instead, I kind of fell because wax floors and flip-flops do not go well together. I don't know what else to say. Oh yeah, helium video. That's some funny stuff. My brother's on there. He is featured, and so is my friend. She doesn't talk much, but whatever. She's my friend. And I just sound really weird, and I sing party houses and party rocking in the house tonight. Yeah, right, that's all I sing. And then I tell my brother to shut up and stuff. It's quite funny. Oh yeah, I had that big balloon. It was humongous. Unless I call that helium out. I'm getting distracted. Let's go on Facebook. And don't forget to like my Facebook like page, as it says up here. Or maybe it's this way to that way. I don't know. But it's somewhere up here. And what else? Oh yeah, do you guys like my bracelet? Cool, right? It's like a G. Huh?
You gotta give Fred, tell him how you got it.
Fred?
Fred, yeah, credit.
Credit?
Yeah, tell him how you got it.
Oh, by my dad. I got it from my dad's ex-girlfriend. She made it. Yup. I feel like I don't have the hiccups anymore. Probably don't. Because I just had dinner and everything, so yes. So anyway, like the button down here. I think it's down here. I think it's down somewhere here. If it's somewhere down there, it might be over here. Either one. And like the video, because I'm amazing. And another thing is, subscribe. If I get 150 subscribers, I will make 4 new dance videos. And St. Patrick's Day is coming up. You better believe I'm wearing green. I'm gonna make a special video just for you guys for St. Patrick's Day. So if you want to see an awesome video for St. Patrick's Day and me doing 4 new dances with my friend Keisters 8, you gotta be checking that out, because that junk could be awesome. So yeah, peace out guys, because I don't have the hiccups anymore. So bye.